What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम once again सारा इज बैक आप सबके चैनल में स्माइल में खेलने के लिए और आपको ज़बरदस्त सी वीडियोस दिखाने के लिए। अभी लास्ट 2-3 वीडियोस में मैंने वॉक्सवैगन को कवर किया तो मुझे बहुत सारी डिमांड आ रही थी कि टेस्ला को भी मैं कवर करूं। तो टेस्ला की जैसे आप देख रहे हैं मैं शोरूम पर आई हूँ फॉर द टेस्ट ड्राइव। ये इलेक्ट्रिक कार है और क्या मज़े के कूल फीचर्स होंगे वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी। आप मेरे साथ ड्राइव पे चलेंगे और भी कोई अगर आप कार देखना चाहते हैं तो आप देखिए। स्माइल विद सारा को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें। अगर आप
These cars are able to drive themselves
Oh, wow,
on the freeway and
auto-drive.
highway. I'd say it's probably the most unique part about a Tesla.
oh really?
It's my favorite thing in traffic.
Oh, for how long? Like auto drive, right?
Correct. So it's
If
called
I want to go to
autopilot.
LA and I put auto drive, then
So you can do autopilot all the way on the freeway.
Wow,
for now,
till
just freeway
LA.
and highway. Correct.
and I can sleep.
No, cannot sleep during the car. So you still have to pay attention, but it will take the driving off the plate for you.
Perfect. And now we can
This
use.
is the car. So
Oh.
anytime I go to my car,
And this is air mode for the,
for the windshield. So
windscreen.
right now it's be cold air, now hot air, now off. And then the other one is for the back window and then the side mirrors. It's heated.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, and the brake, the gear.
So
Just-
gear shift is this one here. So it's all the way down for drive. Park just is the button on the end. And then all the way up for reverse.
Just click.
Yep, you just push it all the way up, just like that. And you get 3 camera
Oh,
angles. You
lovely.
actually see 3 cameras.
So this
all high
is.
def.
How do I know which?
Right now, reverse.
Okay. I'm on reverse.
Yep, and then all the way down is drive, and the button on the end puts you into park. And then partway is neutral. You can even feel the levels. So if you push it down all the way, you can feel it click all the way down. That's drive.
Okay, now I'm in the drive mode.
Correct.
And this is
Reverse.
Reverse. So
Yep.
I can see the cameras.
Yeah, 3 camera angles. One on each side of the car. You can see me on the left one now. Yeah, so you see down here, on the other side, and then across the back.
Yeah.
3 cameras.
Yes.
Yeah. And on the park, how do I
Park is
go?
just the button.
Just click.
Yep,
Okay.
just like that. And it automatically engages park and brake on its own and disengages when you drive. You just tell the car to go forward, backwards, or park.
Okay, so now I'm in the drive mode.
Correct.
And now back to park.
Yep.
Okay, so let me wear my seat belt.
And then did you guys want to check out autopilot on the test drive? just so I can go over the controls.
Yeah.
To you.
Let's try. Yeah.
Don't do something.
Okay,
you don't
once
do.
it's autopilot, he can remove his hand from the steering. So be.
You still want to be ready to take the wheel just in case, but just in case you want to use it. So once you get to the highway, if you want to engage autopilot, just push this lever down twice. Just two clicks down.
Twice.
That will engage
No,
autopilot.
but to engage
Yeah, you don't do
autopilot, how?
Once you get to the highway, you just push this down twice.
Twice?
Abhi nahi.
Yeah, once you're on the highway.
1, 2.
Yeah, so you can see right now it knows we're on the highway, so it's saying it won't do autopilot right now.
Oh, perfect.
But
And
as you're on the
how to
highway,
disengage?
boom,
How
boom.
to disengage?
So to disengage autopilot, easiest way is to press the same lever upwards once, or if you hit the brake pedal, or if you turn the steering wheel. So any feedback you give, it gives you back control immediately.
Oh, perfect. So I think.
Okay, Michael, wonderful. Thanks, my friend.
And then just keep in mind, every few minutes while you're in autopilot, this section up here is going to flash blue. What that's asking for is feedback on the steering wheel to make sure you're still paying attention and awake. So a lot
Okay.
of people have used autopilot incorrectly and they post it online. So for that one, you just want to give it a little bit of turning force, not too much, or else it'll disengage. Just give it a little bit of resistance, let you know you're still alive and paying attention.
Okay.
Cool. So see you in 15 to 20
Like
minutes.
30
Perfect.
minutes.
So
Okay.
take down my cell phone number so one of you guys has
Did-
it just in case. I'm sure you guys will be.
We are in this Tesla Model Y. So you guys can see the steering wheel. It's beautiful. Really nice. And we can control the car through this panel. And let me show you. This is now we are in the parking mode. And let me adjust my steering wheel. So it's all electronic. You see? I can adjust my steering wheel up and down and right. So I can control through this way my steering wheel, and it's all through this control panel. And you can see the same way I can adjust my mirrors. This is my left mirror through this ball, and now see whether my right mirror is okay. Yeah, that sounds good. And we have our mirrors adjusted, so I have
Light
used
kaise on hogi?
my heating seat heater. So this feature is for all the front seats as well as rear. And the lights are over here. Okay,
Yeah.
so headlights are currently on auto, so
that's
it will detect on the sunlight.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so this is the display mode for this control panel, autopilot. And
Speedometer we don't need it. इसका कोई speedometer नहीं है. सारी information आपको इसी screen पे मिलेगी.
this screen is kind of your dashboard, everything, control panel, complete.
Okay.
So let's go in the drive mode. Now we are starting our drive.
हमें start
So
करने के लिए
let's see.
brake.
Just remove the pedal from brake.
Super excited. अभी Tesla की drive पे मैं जा रही हूँ. It is an electric car and I'm really excited driving Tesla and super excited. Let's have a drive together. मैंने सोचा क्यों ना अपनी YouTube की फैमिली को भी साथ लेके चलूं. मेरी फर्स्ट ड्राइव है तो आप भी मेरे साथ हैं. चलें, let's start the journey. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. कि इसकी जो रूफ है that is glass, जो रिमूव नहीं कर सकते, पूरी ग्लास की है.
Tempered glass.
टेम्पर्ड ग्लास है. And I tell you it is इसकी जो बैठ की जो फील है ना, oh my god, it is amazing.
So
Oh my god, oh my goodness. We are इतनी high speed पे, it is amazing. बेबी सीट्स हैं उनके लिए रिकमेंडेड नहीं है। ये मेरा ख्याल है 4-5 लोग तो पीछे डर्स और आगे। So
0 to 60 miles in 3 seconds. This is amazing.
so wonderful driving this car.
So now let's try the auto mode.
Oh yes, अच्छा अब इसमें ये ऑटो मोड है। Okay, perfect.
So
Look
now
at
you can see me. Hi guys. Hello everyone.
Oh my god, this is a lovely feature. Look, the car is driving on its own autopilot. My goodness.
Everything is like
So,
Tesla.
who created this car? Who created this car?
Basically, if you talk about this, so this is like one of the best features Tesla has, and the most safety considered feature. So this autopilot can run your cars for hundreds of miles
मतलब you can go
unless
to Los
you
Angeles.
touch the brake.
अच्छा ये आपको थोड़ा बीप करेगी।
Look at this. It's
Oh,
taking the car.
एक मिनट। What a smooth drive, right?
Nice.
Let me take you for a ride. Dancing with the lights. Our hearts beating like a drum. Tonight.
So टेस्ला की ड्राइव बहुत अच्छी रही। अब जो है रात हो रही है and really enjoy it and I see you inshallah.
Let's go crazy, my baby, dancing with the lights. Together we could chase the sun tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Ooh, tonight. Let me take you for a ride. Alright.
So at the Tesla drive, it was amazing and I really enjoyed. And this model was the Model Y, and it was an amazing drive. And
Let me take you for a ride.